What's up, 6.2 gang? We back in this thing with a whole nother situation, man. It's a beautiful day down here in Dallas, y'all. I'm not gonna give it no lie. Beautiful day, man. Like I say, it's a beautiful day. Get an update on the Hellcat, man. It should be done, like I say, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. I'm pressing Monday, Tuesday. You know, a lot of people asking me why I took it to Mako. Why you mess with Mako? Look, man. Mako doing a framework, okay? Mako doing a framework, and like, they doing a framework, and I'm not gonna spoil what I'm gonna do to my car, but they is gonna paint it, but it's gonna be in like my way. Just trust me, y'all see what I'm talking about. Y'all see what I'm talking about. I decided not to go a rap. I don't want to do rap. When y'all hear me at night, I'm stuck in traffic, man. You know, I decided not to go the rap. I just don't want to go to the house or going back and forth to the shop getting a back rap. You know, it's raining a lot in Texas, where certain parts of, you know, but I drive a lot, so I don't want to. I just don't want to deal with it sometimes. I just rather get it painted. I'm gonna get it painted. But that color though, that color gonna go crazy. No lie, bang, Hellcat shit. It going crazy, I'm telling y'all. But at the end of the day, I can't wait to get it done, man, you guys, man. It's like one thing, somebody going past now. That's a Dodge 4x4, but trust me, they out here going crazy, even in traffic. Like, we stuck in traffic, boom, boom, blowing past me. But hey, it's okay. Be out there, man. But it got, man, Chargers everywhere. Charger, Hellcat season, Scat Pack season, RT season, even V6 seasons. I see them all over the place, man. Be parked up everywhere. It's like Mopar crazy out here. Mopar crazy, you know what I mean? But since y'all tuned to the channel, man, 6.2 game, man, Firewheel 6.2. Since y'all here, man, hit the like, comment, all that buttons. Every button you see, hit it, crash dummy style. Good crash dummy style. Crash that button like dummy, man. Crash that button like dummy, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. Because everybody who watch these videos, man, I got inspired by somebody. By a lot of people, man. I really did. And, man, the people really, really, like, opened my mind to the new avenues, man. I want to do that for y'all, too. If I can help y'all get somewhere in life, man, look, all I got to say, do it, man. Don't wait on nobody. I don't care if it's whoever it may be. Somebody might say, oh, that's not going to work. Man, shoot your shot, people. Hey, win, lose, or draw, man. You better do that there. Win, lose, or draw. You do that, man. Because I ain't going to tell you no lie. Only way you know you're gonna win or lose unless you try. Unless you try. The word of the day is try. Get out there and try. You know what I mean? Oh, not phone bill. My bad, y'all. Phone bill, I guess. Excuse me. But get out there and try. You know what I'm saying? Just get out there and try. It's called trial and error. You feel me? Everybody got trials and errors, man. It's not how you lose and how you bounce back after you lose, man. Everybody go for a shot and miss the shot. But after you rebound, though, you got another game plan in your head. Like, oh, man, when I get the ball this time, I'm yamming it. I ain't shooting. I'm going to the hole and yamming. You know what I'm saying? But that's the same thing with life, man. Y'all think about that. You know what I mean? Never shoot yourself or cut yourself short of no goals in your life, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm big on that, man. I'm real big on that. And like, if you like procrastinate on a lot of things, man, just face that in the mirror. Just know you procrastinate. Hey, get your butt up, man. You know what I mean? Because life ain't waiting on no dog. Like my mama tell you that now. And if you told my mama, she'll tell you, life wait on no man. Do what you say you're gonna do, people. As you say you're gonna do it. Like, as you talking, man, making them move, man, make them feet move, man. As you doing that, make that feet move right along with it, corresponding. You dig that? Yeah, man. Synchronize that, man. You know what I mean? Synchronize your mouth and your feet, man. I guarantee you're gonna see some good results behind that, people. Cause trust me, believe me, the world's big out here, man. Look at Dallas, Texas, period, man. It's a gold mine out here. If y'all don't know about that, man, from any aspect, if you're trying to do whatever you want to do, man, right now is the time to do it. And Dallas, man, because it is popping. bubbling, man. I ain't tell y'all no lie. I'm not gonna tell y'all no lie. Just the people in general, man, they so genuine, man. You know, some people got bad intentions, but you know those people for who they are. You feel me? You know people who they are. And you kind of cipher those out, you know what I'm saying, through time. But hey, it is lovely people down here, man. I love Dallas, Texas, man. Texas, I love y'all, man, for real. I love y'all. Y'all done earned y'all the forever residence, man. Cause I'm from Midwest, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, man. Frozen tundra, man. It is cold at all get out. For real, for real. Y'all, it get cold down here. It get cold. But up there, it's a different type of cold. For real. It's like bitter, grab your teeth cold. You dig that? You want to put cold on your teeth or something. You want to put a triple goose on your teeth. Your teeth get cold. You know what I mean? You want, you know what I mean? You want something on your mouth guard or something. It's cold up there, man. I tell you what, if you get a cavity up there, you gonna know you got a cavity. You open your mouth, go, oh Lord, I got a cavity. Whatever. That cold wind gonna eat your cavity up, Jack. You going straight to the dentist. I tell you that. I tell you that. Yeah, we in this thing. But man, hey, 2020, big, man. It's visionary, man. You know, visionary for everybody. Y'all watching the channel, y'all 6.2 game. Y'all watching the channel, man. If y'all tuned in to the kid, y'all going up too, man. Y'all getting money with the kid, man. I'm gonna know what. Do you know why? Because I'm that person, man. I will show y'all how to get it in. I don't only do cars. I do rarities too. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta understand that. I do rarity too. And man, y'all show to the right channel. If y'all trying to benefit yourself and move in a different way, as you know, people been doing, you know, since day one. But I just tuned on to it, you know what I'm saying, a little while ago. But at the same time, back to the top of the hand, y'all. I'm never get off topic. My Porsche Cayenne. I have a guy come Monday. He can come look at it for me. As far as like body work, he's a very, very good guy. Come highly recommended. Out of I want to say Mesquite area, Dallas Mesquite area, and also Irvin. He's in Irvin as well. You know, he had a body shop in Irvin. He's a very good guy. I've been dealing with this guy for years, man. For years, he's doing a little work for me, tires and everything, you know. For years, you know, some 6.2 game. But yeah, he's gonna look at the Porsche Cayenne for me, you know what I'm saying? Give me a good estimate. I got the piece, you know. My boy Beto out there, out of the salvage yard, man, he hooked me up all the time, man. Shout out to him, man. I'm gonna go see if I do a video with Beto, man. See if you wanna be on TV. I don't know if you want to or not. But I holler at the kid, man. See what's up. Beto cool guy, man. Y'all go to his salvage yard. I need parts, man. Y'all gonna get the link and all that later on. I don't know when go out there, but I'll try to put another video or something, you know. But yeah, man, he looked out for me a few times now. You know, I think my Porsche doors retail about, man, like 800 a piece, 900 a piece. He better cut me a good deal, man, for both of them. And plus the piece itself, to cut the sidebar on the side of the Porsche Cayenne was high end too. But he kind of looked out for me, gave me a good deal. Because I bought some Hellcat parts from him, and I bought some other parts as well. So he kind of looked out for me on the doors for the Cayenne, you know. And that's what you need, man. If you into this business, you need good people, and you know how to treat your own people yourself. You can't be a person burning bridges and expect to cross that bridge the next day. It ain't gonna be there for you. I'm sorry to tell you that. You feel that? If you burning bridges, if you not taking care of people, man, you feel me? The next time you need that person, they better get you a parachute, man. If they get you a parachute, fella, for real. Cause you gonna see that. They ain't gonna mess with you, man. But all in, all out, man. Y'all take care of y'all people, man. Y'all take care of them, they take care of y'all. You know what I mean? Like a car you drive, man. A car you drive require oil and maintenance, man, to maintain its stability. You feel me? So same thing in life, man. Everything go correspond no matter what you do. know what I mean? Whether life, drive a car, everything run corresponding, got the same rules to everything. You know what I mean? That's respect. And when y'all tune to my channel, man, I ain't gonna never preach to y'all, man, but man, y'all keep God first, man. If y'all not keeping God first, man, you're not 6.2 game. If you ain't keeping God first, you're not 6.2 game. I'm sorry to tell you. You know what I mean? You got to keep the Lord first, stay humble. I preach that. My mama preached that. I believe in that. I believe in Lord. I believe in Lord so much. He's such a blessing and inspiration in my life. I'm not gonna tell you nothing different, because I've been times where I didn't know what was gonna happen, what's gonna do, but the Lord's like, know what, son, sit back. You know who's driving this ship, man. Here we go again with the phone. He said, sit back. You know who's driving this ship. You know what I mean? Don't trip. I got you. You're my son. I'm covering the Lord's blood. You feel me? And he told me that. He promised me that. You know what? I seen all of that. You feel me? Seen all of that. So, gotta hold this phone up and drive, y'all. Excuse me. But so I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I just want to shoot a little video right quick. But yeah, though, the Lord is definitely a blessed inspiration in my life, and y'all definitely a blessed inspiration in my life, man. Thank y'all for tuning to the channel today. You know, I'm waiting till this little chit back right quick, and later on, you know, give y'all some little footage, probably. I don't know, but it's gonna be a crazy little night tonight, man. You know, but at the end of the day, I'm trying to adjust this camera and drive. I ain't trying to get a ticket, man, because they be live out here. They don't give a doggone. You know, especially. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. But like at the end of the day, y'all take care of your people, man. Y'all maintain y'all goals, and y'all stay focused, man, out here, because you know everybody try to take you off task. No matter what it is, might be an obstacle in your life, might take you off task, might be a person, might be a, you know, it's like I say, an object, you know, your house, your car, or the laws or something. Look at this, man. Jeez, man. Man, Agtown finest. Bust your head if you ain't ready. But man, they got 3 cars on that. Man, that dude going to jail. Hey, man, if you got 3 cars on you, y'all comment below. What y'all think? 3 cars? Is that man going to jail? 3 cars? That man going to jail. He might go to the holding tank. He might, I don't know. 3 cars? Well, it might be 2 cars. I might be tripping. I don't know. It might be 2. You probably can't see it from here. Y'all probably didn't even see the whole thing. I don't know. But he got sweated. Oh, he got 2 cars and a sergeant. Yeah, he going to jail. 2 cars and a sergeant. We holler at you, pimping. It's going to be a long night. Call your first call might be the person you might trust the most. You know what I'm saying? You might exercise that right, fella. Because you sure going to need it, pimping. I ain't trying to see that, man. All that mean. Hope that man okay, whoever that is, hope they okay. Hope they get out of that, man. Shoot. I hate seeing life behind me, man. That's why I try to stay light, right? You know what I mean? Try to stay right out here. I came down the wrong neighborhood. It's a little turned up down through here, man. You know. A little rowdy down through here, man. Agtown. What's going on, Agtown? What's going on with y'all, man? Y'all ain't playing, y'all gangster, man, for real. Y'all G'd up out here. G'd up, man. I got somebody back here swaying in Christ. Oh, man. He back here swaying in Christ. See, that's what I'm saying? Swaying like he can't wait to get past me, boy. Look at this dude back. I put y'all show this cat. Swaying back here, man. He's like, man, I get so much in a rush, bro. What you rushing for, man? You know what I mean? Laws out here hot. You want to rush up behind somebody, take your punk ass home. You know what I mean? The fuck you looking at, man? That punk ass glasses. Can't stand that. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. I mean, can't stand that. They want to rush up behind you, look at you, and then pull in front of you, then drive all slow in front of you now. Like what kind of stuff was that? That's hypocritical to me. Well, whatever that's hypocrites, man. Whatever it is, that's that, man. They wrong. They wrong for that, man. 6.2 gang. Wherever it is, they wrong for it. Should be doing it. They wrong. playing it wrong. I'm wrong for saying that too. I'm wrong too for feeling like that. I'm wrong. You know what I mean? I'll be back to it, man. Back, man. Look, I ain't gonna talk to y'all too much longer, man. I got 7 driving out here, man. I keep my eyes on the road. I'm trying to do this right. My phone tripping. The case broke. I don't know, man. I gotta get another one, man. It's been a long day, y'all. Trying to keep out this content, different things, keep out updated, man, because look, the kid is going to give y'all some good stuff, man. Real good stuff. Y'all gonna like it. Y'all gonna look forward to it. Y'all gonna hit that smash like button. I mean, crash, and smash and crashing that like, that subscribe button, crash dummy. Both of them. Bang, boom, and bang. You know what I mean? 6.2 Gaming out of here. I'm pulling to my destination, man. And I'm going to tell y'all like this. Y'all drive safe, man. Y'all don't be out there, man, tearing people's stuff up, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that, man. Y'all drive safe out there, man. And wear your seatbelt when you drive, man. I ain't had no damn seatbelt on, people. I ain't tell me that ain't no seatbelt on the whole time I was driving. Man, what's wrong with y'all? 6.2 Game. Y'all should have told me that, man. Put the seatbelt on, man. Even my doggone Audi didn't tell me. Look at this, man. Audi didn't tell me seatbelt was off, man. Now, who responsible for that, man? Who responsible for that, man? Who gonna be here responsible, man? You know what I'm saying? Who gonna be here responsible, man? Y'all didn't go find out, man. Find out, tell them I'm looking for him, B. I'm telling them I'm looking for him, man. And when you find him, man, tell them 15 keys in the bag, B. Need 15 keys in the bag, B. I'm just playing with y'all, man. Hey, I'm out of here, y'all. Y'all check it out, man. The next thing I come to them, man, I need to be driving my Hellcat. I'm tired of, look, man, I'm tired of waiting, man. I'm finna get out here and get sideways like Trey. The truth, man. You know what I mean? Swanging on them, man. I ain't gonna do no mess like that. But, hey. All right, y'all. Love, peace, and hair grease. Man, y'all drive safe. Put your seatbelt on. And take care of people, man. 6.2 Gang. We out of here. Bang, bang, bang. Bang. Love y'all.